The millennial generation and the generation Z, which comprises of 50% of the population today, values the quality of independence the most. We want to have the freedom to work where we love, travel without boundaries, and be able to express ourselves fiercely. And honestly, this kind of independence is only available when we are financially independent. And to be truly financially independent, we must learn about our own money and learn to make our money work hard for us.
A recent book by Sandeep Das, a PwC director, on a millennial's guide to making it big, states that inadequate knowledge of personal finances is the single biggest pain point for this generation. And that is not surprising given that we've had little orientation, whether formally through school and college or informally through our society and family, on how to manage our finances.
To help you become financially independent and take control over your money, we are introducing our first online course, Namaste Money, Take Charge of Your Money. This course is to get you started on the path of financial freedom and will give you the confidence that comes with putting money in the right place and making it work hard for us. This is a course for the newcomers to the world of finance and will reiterate that why starting early with your investments will help you achieve financial independence early.
Through this course, we will help you learn about all the aspects of personal finance that will affect you, from savings to investments, from deposits to mutual funds, from gold to real estate, from salary slips to taxation, from term insurance to nomination. We will talk about the why, the what, and the how of each of them.
Not just learning, this course will also help you unlearn the idea of making quick bucks. As it said, quick money leaves also quickly. More often than not, you lose money in the quest for making quick money.
Yes, unlearning to look for instant returns, but learning that wealth is made by having a boring but a consistent plan over a long period of time. We will teach you patience with money.
The Namaste Money course is divided into 4 modules covering specific areas of personal finance. Under each module, there are 7 to 8 sessions structured for easy learning.
To help you with your learning, within each module, you have videos, you have Excel tools to help you do magic with numbers, you have suggested reading resources, and a lot more.
This is an online course, so you can hit pause, play, repeat n number of times for an entire year, helping you to learn at your own pace. So get started and make the best of your investment for the future.